On another topic, the BC Court of Appeal says a law passed by the provincial government to stave off opposition to a supportive housing development in Kitsilano is unconstitutional. What is your reaction to that, and what will the province do about it now?
Yeah, I mean, this is frustrating. We're trying to build housing. For people, everybody in British Columbia knows there's a housing crisis. They see the people in the streets. They see that providing affordable housing with supports for people is part of the response to this. This is a project that we funded, I think now 4 years ago, still trying to get a shovel in the ground because of endless process. We won at the trial court. We lost at the Court of Appeal. The lawyers are having a look about what to do next. But what is not up for discussion is that there will be affordable social housing in that neighborhood. We will ensure that every neighborhood and every community does its part in terms of responding to the housing crisis. And obviously our lawyers are studying the decision, but the court did set out a path for us to be able to move ahead on this. We have to deliver housing. We have to be able to do it faster. If we built that housing 4 years ago, it would have been way cheaper than it'll be when we have to build it after we've resolved all the issues related to this court decision. And that means less housing overall for everyone, and the housing's still going to get built. So I'm encouraging the housing minister to find ways to expedite housing approval across the province. We're going to listen to communities. There have been significant changes to this project in response to community feedback. That's an important thing for us to do. It's one of the things that we've committed to do, but one of the things we've also committed to do is actually get the housing built. And that's what we're going to do.